Hey, I'm Mikaël 2025 World Coffee Roasting Champion, and today we are talking about storing coffee. Giesen Roasting Solutions offers a wide range of solutions. So from specialty silos with manual feeding to industrial size with mechanical transport system. So behind me you have 3 silos. Each silo is divided in 2 segments. In each segment you can fill with 175 kg of raw coffee, green coffee, or 100 kg of roasted coffee each. So you can use the vacuum transport system to fill up your silos from the scale or the scale with your silos. So here, mechanical transport system moves coffee throughout enclosed tubes with the scoops attached to a moving chain. And here with the fully automated system, you can choose which silo is automated fill once you're roasted. So this type of system is also 100% customizable, so you can choose the color and you can choose the amount of segments you stack in, so from 1 to 3. Each segment is about 600 kilos of green coffee and about 300 kilos of roasted coffee. So with the sensor, it has the benefit of not overfilling the silos, so you can keep track on your level.